part, if you're in the product business, you really have to spell out simple and clear what your return policy is.
Like your return policy is your secret weapon with your businesses, and it's
a marketing tool.
Exactly. Yes.
And if you think of it like that, it allows you to have a conversation. Most people try, or most companies want to hide it,
right?
Because they don't do it. But if you turn it on its head and go, no, dude, you don't, we'll take it back. You don't like it, whatever. I used to have this argument all the time. It's like, okay, are you going to do 30-day returns? And then I would ask the customer, what are you going to do if somebody argues at 35 days? Are they, you going to take it back? And he goes, yeah. And I go, well, then do 35-day returns. Nobody wants to do returns, or you want to do 14 days or whatever it is. But if you really think about it and you promote the fact that you have this great return policy, it's good marketing. I mean, Amazon did it, shoot.
Yeah.
They figured it out too. One of the things that sticks out to me about, coaching your customers is to make it clear to the customer when you are negotiating and when you are not. You need to let them know, like, well, no, this is just the way we offer or the way we operate. And
yes,
we'd love to have a relationship with you. But if you don't agree with those kinds of things, we respectfully, and we'll even give you a referral to somebody else that does things a little bit different. But that's really important. And it's important for you to get across to your employees as well. It's like, this is not a negotiation. We're going to help if they bought a product and they're having problems with, and they're just so upset. Well, we're upset too, right? We believe in the two tokens aspect or method of customer service. So we are already like, oh no, this is terrible. And so the first thing we always say, let me send you a label and get you a full refund because this has been so devastating. Well, you want to slow them down with that comment, but It's not a negotiation. The worst thing or the most we're going to do for you is just give you all your money back and make you whole again. I can't give you back the hour of your time or whatever. I just can't. No one can.
No.
But I'm going to do it in a great way to do it. So we're not negotiating about this. This is just the way it is.